And you would expect to talk to your doctor about your health, but what about your barber? People across our country are having a problem keeping active during the pandemic, and a group of barbers want to make sure their clients keep their heart rate at a good pace. Alexa Liaco shows us what they're doing to how they're partnering with medical professionals to help people during the pandemic.
There's a comforting hum in the air, a warm place to sit, and a friendly face.
The barbershop always been like a sanctuary for black men.
Decades of friendships grown where conversations flow with ease.
We learned a lot about life in the barbershop. It's more than just cutting hair. We teach, we learn from one another.
Lessons Kevin McSears carries with him every day.
I was just told that you could always have your own. You know, don't ever be scared of going out and trying to get your own and working for yourself.
Those words inspired him to open the doors of his own shop, Picasso Cuts.
There's no pressure. We communicate. We talk about everything.
And in the face of the pandemic, health is one topic Kevin is bringing up more often.
We just had that conversation a minute ago, and so COVID is definitely real, you know, and being a black man, it's my responsibility to let people who don't feel it's real to know it's real.
These men know the pain this virus can bring, especially to the African American community.
We've lost people that we know. It's affected minorities on a great scale. You know, unfortunately, a lot of minorities don't have the health insurance, you know, or don't have the means to get to the primary physician.
That's why Kevin is taking on a new responsibility, bringing resources and information right to his barbershop by partnering with doctors at Live Chair Health.
Our aim is to address health disparities amongst people of color.
Across the country, this group is building a team of medical professionals and barbers to ask tough questions and help give answers.
Ask them a question about, you know, do you have a primary health physician? When the last time you had your blood pressure checked? And it might spark him to get his blood pressure checked. He might be sitting there with hypertension. So potentially we might save a life.
The barbers hope the conversations about health don't end in these chairs. They hope every client that leaves their shop will check in with a primary care doctor and keep better track of their health for months and years to come.
So have you downloaded our app yet? It just came out last weekend. I hope the difference is giving people those resources that we haven't been privy to.
These men hope in talking about underlying conditions, COVID-19 and the vaccine, the historic distrust from the African American community towards the healthcare system will crumble.
We have a distrust, you know, rightfully so.
Is this the way, one person at a time in the barbershop, to fight distrust in communities?
I mean, it's one of them. It's a way for us.
A way to usher this community out of this crisis. A way to level the playing field.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm Alexa Liaco reporting.